Ooh.
Nice.
And right there.
Oh, this girl's
Alyb0ba. I actually love that. Alyb0ba. Fuck you instead. I don't even like scroll. Okay, we finished it.
Picked up the worst guns I've ever seen in my life.
Oh.
Hey, bro.
I have to burp.
Oh my god.
Clip that one. Clip it.
Dweller mod on.
Your brain.
Oh.
You guys miss me. So, excuse me. Oh, bitch. Don't know what to do anymore. Girl, hey, white Mike. It's Italian. Hell yeah, I love that.
Woke up to niggas talking like woke up to niggas sounding like
That's what I have to tell you. I broke my.
No.
Delicious. I'm such a lady. He said yeah. Ooh, that is disgusting. I need to stop doing that because you know. Hi. All right, I'm back. Okay, so I want to tell you guys, that was probably where the burp queen at. I'm actually right here, and guess what? I happen to be drinking right now. Well, there it is. You came at the right time. Okay. Ooh, that was the big one. No me cree. Excuse me. Next day story. So, I went to fucking St. Patrick's Day. It used to be like a fucking. And you changed the fucking title.
girl.
Oh. Hi, Jax. How are you? Oh, I'm the man. There it is. Clip that shit, chat.
Ooh, I would like to play.
Excuse me. Ugh, that pokey I had. Epa. It might be insane on a Friday. I also can't bowl with these nails. We're just gonna live in the house. So. Bitch, I know you're.
Ooh, Paige.
Hey guys, hi.
Up all that Gayukaku.
Dude, Gayukaku